Speeders are pretty cool. We got to go and check these out real quick. We're here down here in Klamath County, Oregon. Chiloquin. Man, look at that. It's got canvas. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I had a speeder kind of like that. Let's go ahead and check out this snow blower real quick. Man, look at that. Ah, that's got to be 11, 12 feet. It's another snow operation. Another one. Look at that one. That's got wings that come out. How cool. Another little speeder. That almost looks like a Fairmont. Man, that is cool. This is regular gauge here. This little crane. A Burro crane from Chicago. There's a Burlington Northern caboose over there. Man, they have got so much stuff here, guys. It's almost impossible to see everything in one day. Look at those huge wings that come out. How cool is that? Get up here and take a look real quick. Oh! Okay. Got some hard facing there on the blades. So we got a generator sitting right here. Got a Westinghouse. Oh wow. So these are put up in front of the locomotive and pushed. Here's all your controls, or your wings on both sides. Here's the forward area where the front blade's at. Man, how cool. Gosh, this thing sits up so high. Generator, gasoline power generator. Go over here and look at this snow mover over here.
Hey Kurt, look out the window behind you.
Man, how cool is this? Look at that.
Get it?
Wow, look at that.
Whistle horn don't work anymore. Lame.
Yeah. Look, one little circuit breaker runs the whole thing. I bet this was noisy.
Oh, I bet.
This is one that's got
Wow,
a huge
that's
fan
so
in front.
cool.
This is for clearing snow.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So these electric motors
Sit
on the wheel.
miles.
Excuse me. Oh, wow, look at those old pictures. Here's the operation up here.
Power plant.
Oh, that's so cool.
All four of these. It's on the front wheel.
Man. Look down in there. Gosh, it goes about 10 feet down in there. So cool.
I'll try it. Go in there and then come out here to say hi to me.
Look around the other side of this thing real quick. Man, that is a serious piece of iron.